Ginkgo is often called a living fossil, as it is one of the oldest surviving tree species on Earth. Its lineage dates back over 270 million years, long before the rise of flowering plants, and it has survived major extinction events virtually unchanged. Native to China, ginkgo has been cultivated for centuries and is still revered for its beauty and powerful medicinal potential. The tree is remarkably resilient, with some specimens living for over 1,000 years and tolerating urban pollution, poor soils, and even radiation, as evidenced by trees that survived the Hiroshima blast. This deciduous tree can grow 50 to 80 feet tall and spreads a wide symmetrical crown. It thrives in temperate climates and prefers full sun and well-drained soils, but is extremely adaptable once established. Ginkgo trees are dioecious, meaning male and female flowers grow on separate trees. The females produce fruits that resemble small plums, but they contain a strong-smelling compound that many find unpleasant. The seeds, commonly referred to as the nuts, inside the fruit have been traditionally consumed in small amounts in East Asian cultures, often roasted or cooked. However, they must be properly prepared to avoid toxicity, as raw seeds can be harmful due to the presence of ginkgo toxin. Harvesting the fan-shaped leaves is typically done in the fall just before they begin to turn yellow. These leaves are the primary part used in herbal medicine. While the seeds have limited traditional use as food in specific cultures, the medicinal value overwhelmingly lies in the leaves, which are packed with powerful phytochemicals. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment or illness. Medicinally, Ginkgo biloba is most well known for its benefits to the nervous system. It is frequently used to support brain health, enhance memory, and improve cognitive function. It is often found in formulas aimed at boosting focus and mental clarity, especially in older adults or those experiencing age-related cognitive decline. Unfortunately, many over-the-counter ginkgo supplements contain only trace amounts of the herb, as supplements aren't regulated in the same way as drugs. Ginkgo is also sometimes used to help manage occasional anxiety, thanks to its gentle calming effects. One of the key reasons ginkgo is so effective lies in its rich content of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and terpenoids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging and disease processes. Free radicals can build up from exposure to pollution, processed foods, and even normal metabolic processes, so plants like ginkgo play an important role in offering protection. The terpenoids in ginkgo are particularly valued because they help dilate blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body. This enhanced blood flow allows more oxygen-rich blood to reach the brain and extremities, which may explain its effectiveness in supporting memory, focus, and even conditions like tinnitus, ringing in the ears, and erectile dysfunction. Ginkgo may also reduce platelet aggregation, meaning it helps thin the blood slightly and reduce clotting. Another way it supports vascular health. However, these blood-thinning properties come with cautions. Individuals taking anticoagulants, like warfarin, or antiplatelet medications, like aspirin, should consult a healthcare provider before using ginkgo. It is not recommended to consume more than 1 cup per day of ginkgo leaf tea if on such medications, as the herb may enhance their effects and increase the risk of bleeding. Side effects from ginkgo are uncommon but have been reported, especially with high doses. These include headaches, dizziness, increased heart rate, and digestive upset. For most people using appropriate doses, especially in tea or tincture form, ginkgo is very well tolerated. Ginkgo biloba is a powerful herbal ally with a long history and remarkable benefits for brain health, circulation, and overall vitality. When used mindfully and in moderation, it offers a time-tested way to support mental clarity and aging gracefully, nature's gift from one of the world's oldest living trees.